Good morning, boys and girls, birds or plants. Um, Welcome to our second assembly during this strange period of ours. I have a special treat for you today because Vicar John got in touch with me and said that he was missing you all and said, would it be possible if he could do his own assembly? And he did, and he sent it to me, and I've got it here now to share with you. I have watched it. It's very nice. It's got your favourite character in, other than Vicar John, but I'll let you find out who that character is. So over to you, Vicar John.
Lovely. Hello everybody, and how lovely it is to be with you all. I've missed you so much not being able to come in and see you in school and spend some time with you, and particularly be with you at school assemblies. I've missed it, and my friend has missed it as well. But my friend is here this morning to join us for our talk this morning. I'm sure they would, Goldie. Goldie would like you all to say good morning, Goldie. So after 3, I'm going to ask you all to say good morning, Goldie. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. No, I didn't hear that either, Goldie. I think we're going to have to try again, aren't we? Okay, let's go again. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I think we heard it that time, didn't we, Goldie? After 3, we said, good morning, Goldie. And oh, Goldie, did I say that you could play with the balloons? Goldie? Right. Why have I got 3 balloons? Well, why I've got 3 balloons is because I'm thinking of birthdays. You like birthdays? Yeah, I think we all like birthdays, don't we? You like having cake? Yeah, okay, Goldie, everybody likes cake for birthdays. But I'm thinking of birthdays, and I'm thinking of You like a lot of cake? Well, okay, Goldie, please, can I just talk a minute? With candles on. Yeah, Goldie. Shush now. We're going to talk about birthdays. We're talking about a special birthday, the birthday of the church. On Sunday the 31st of May, that was last Sunday, we celebrated a special festival in church, and that was called Pentecost. And at Pentecost was when we remember that Jesus has been ascended up into heaven. And what comes next is the Holy Spirit. And the Holy Spirit comes to the disciples and fills the disciples, and the disciples start their ministry together. So it's like the first day of the church, and so that's why we call Pentecost the birthday of the church. So quite often for birthdays, we have balloons. Goldie, stop playing with the balloon at the moment. We've got to blow up some more. Go, Goldie. Perhaps, Goldie, you could help me blow up the balloon, because this is your balloon before you've blown anything up into it, isn't it? You have this, and it turns into that. I mean, that's not really anything particularly, is it? You can't play with that, can you? You can't biff that around the place or do anything, so we need to blow it. Okay, you blow it up for me, Goldie. Okay, give it a go. Try again, come on. Strong now, big breath. Still nothing. Can't really do much with that, can we, Goldie? Okay, last time, give it a big, come on, breathe in. And now, try and get the balloon into your mouth and breathe out. Oh, Goldie, I'll tell you what, I'll give you a help, shall I? So I'll blow up the balloon. Goldie. Goldie. And there we have another balloon blown up. Do you want to hold it for me, Goldie? Thank you. And now, with the air inside it, then we've got a balloon that can be a balloon. And how do we know that the air is inside? Well, I was going to say we knew the air was inside it because it was a nice shape, not because you can let go of it and it. You found it funny. I'm sure you found it funny, Goldie. But anyway, you shouldn't have done it. So we have a balloon which is just flat. When it's got the air in, it becomes like a balloon. Yeah, I'm going to talk about cake in a minute. Yeah, I know you like birthday cake. Well, here we go. We have got a small but lovely birthday cake. Let me move the balloons so we can see the cake easily. Right, and what have we got on top of the cake? We've got candles, that's right. Shall I try and light the candles? There we go. Now, when the children have got birthday cakes, they probably ask a grown-up to help them light the candles. And at Pentecost, when we're thinking about the birthday of the church, when we're thinking about the Holy Spirit coming and filling the disciples up, so instead of being like a flat balloon, they can be like proper balloons and full of the Holy Spirit to go out and do what they need. We also remember the tongues of fire, we're told, came down and were with the disciples. And this was reminding them that the Holy Spirit was with them and would also be with them. You'd like to blow out the candles? Well, you don't have much puff, do you, Goldie? You're going to give it a go. Okay then, try. After 3. 1, 2, 3. No, that didn't really work. I tell you what, I'll do it for you this time. 1, 2, 3. Hey? 1, 2, 3. The candles won't go up, Goldie. 1, 2, 3. You keep an eye. That's amazing, isn't it? These are special candles. These are special candles that you can put on a birthday cake. Sometimes it's a bit of a trick for somebody, and you put them on and they keep lighting back up. But what this is telling us is that what this reminds us and what we celebrate is that Pentecost, the birthday of the church, is like the last piece of the jigsaw when it all comes together. When the disciples are given the Holy Spirit, it fills them in order they can be their true selves and go out and preach their ministry and do what they need to. And it also reminds us that the light of God, the light represented by these candles on this birthday cake, never goes out and never leaves us. Goldie now wants a slice of birthday cake. Well, in a minute, Goldie, but we just need to say goodbye first. So thank you so much for joining us for our assembly. It's been wonderful having you here with us. Remember, Pentecost, birthday of the church, Holy Spirit filled the disciples like it filled the balloon, the air filled the balloon, and also the tongues of fire coming and touching the disciples to know that God is always with them as they go out. So after 3, Goldie, shall we try and blow the candles out again? 1, 2, 3. Think this is going to take a long time. Take care, everybody.
Well, thank you, Vicar John. That was lovely. Loved seeing Goldie again, as I'm sure the children did too. Well, boys and girls, all I've got left to say is thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed Vicar John's Assembly as much as I did. And hopefully I'll be seeing all of you very shortly. In the meantime, take care, look after yourselves and your families. Bye.